Hi everybody, welcome to Champion Trading. Normally we show these videos in our shop, but we're about to remove this unit from service here. And just want to give you a look. IWKA tube filler. Finishing its last run before we take delivery of the unit. It's about a 30 millimeter tube you see running here. So you give you a quick look at the feed assembly here. What you hear running is an air-operated feed pump. Give you a quick look around the back of the machine while we get around everything. Full panel. Well, that's our look at the IWKA tube filler. We're going to have this up on our website shortly. We have lots of equipment in our stock in process and packaging, so we do hope you'll visit our website at www.champtrading.com. And we certainly look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for joining us today for this video.